Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Fire is contained in all firewood and butter is contained in all milk. What a profound statement by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib, Amritsar in Raksoret, Ang 617 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So, Guru Sahib is not just talking about fire and butter. This is about you. This is about me and the unlimited potential hidden within us all. So, Guruji says, Sagal banaspat meh besantar, sagal doodh meh kiya. Fire is contained in all firewood and butter is contained in all milk. Imagine a piece of wood. It doesn't look like fire, yet fire is inside it. You just need the right spark. Similarly, milk. Milk seems like a simple liquid, but within it lies pure butter. You just need the right process, and which is that right process? That is churning. So let me ask you, what is hidden inside you? What greatness, what wisdom, what power, and what's stopping you from bringing it out? So let's dive in and understand how we can use this ancient wisdom in our daily lives. So Guru Sahib Ji is revealing a deep ontological distinction that everything already is. We just need to uncover it. We are not becoming something, we are remembering what we already are. This is a life skill of self-realization and transformation, recognizing our true nature and acting from that place. When Guruji says, Ooch neech meh jyot samani, kat kat madho jiya, God's light is contained in the high and the low. The Lord is in the hearts of all human beings. High and low is also, it's made by the society. It means no one is truly small or big. The same divine energy exists in a millionaire and a beggar, in a CEO and a cleaner. The difference, the difference lies in awareness and activation. There was a boy named Rohan who always felt useless. He would compare himself to others and believed he had no talents. One day his teacher told him, Inside you there is a greatness. You just haven't sparked it yet. With guidance and mentorship, Rohan started exploring. He found that he had a passion for storytelling. He practiced, refined his skill, and years later, he became a renowned author and public speaker. So, what changed here? The fire was already inside him, he just needed the right spark. So let's implement today's Hukamnama. What is your hidden strength? What talent, idea, or skill have you ignored? Take some time today to write it down what you love doing. Even if it feels small, it has a value. Let's talk about the second example, milk and butter. Milk doesn't become butter by its own by sitting still. What does it require? It requires churning. So, effort, movement, and hence transformation. A friend of mine wanted to be financially independent, but she was afraid to start her business. She felt she wasn't good enough. But she kept on churning, learning, falling, then retrying. Today she is running a successful wellness brand. So let's implement the distinctions in our day-to-day life. What challenge are you facing? Instead of quitting, can you see it as a part of your churning process? List one step you will take today to move forward. Guruji further says, Santo kat kat reha samahyo, which means, O saints, he is pervading and permeating each and every heart. Now see, how often do we judge people? We see them as higher and some as lower. But Guru Sahib is saying, God Almighty exists in everyone. Once I was in a hospital and I saw a janitor cleaning the floor. While most people ignored him, I smiled and said, "Thank you for keeping this place clean." His eyes lit up. That moment, something changed in me. I realized how often we overlook people who serve us on regular basis. So here's how you can implement it in your life. Recognize divinity in someone today. Maybe your house help, security guard, or even a stranger. Genuinely appreciate them. See how your perspective shifts. So, my dear friends, let's reflect. The fire is already in you. Find your potential and act on it. Life is about churning. Don't fear struggle, it leads to transformation. Recognize the divine in all. Every interaction is an opportunity to connect with the Almighty. Guru Sahib didn't write these words just for reading, they are for living. So let's all of us bring these teachings to life and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.